Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. It is almost that time, the time of spring break. How exciting! I hope you all are having a wonderful day today and that you are ready to begin with morning meeting. So, to start off, we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So, if you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and follow along. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, boys and girls. You may be seated. So to start off, we are going to begin with the 7 days of the week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by the Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click here to see our original illustrated version of 7 Days of the Week. You can get 7 Days of the Week on Preschool Learning Fun in full CD download at www.learningstationmusic.com. See the video playlists playing?
Awesome. Now the months of the year.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Okay, boys and girls, so we are going to start with today's date. So today is Thursday, March 11, 2021. And if you look at the calendar over here on the side, if we are Thursday today, can anybody tell me what yesterday was? Yes, awesome job. Yesterday was Wednesday. And if yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. What will tomorrow be? Amazing. Tomorrow will be Friday. So now today's weather. So this week or two, actually this whole month, has been very weird. So today's weather is partly sunny. It looks like the sun wants to come out, but then it kind of gets cloudy. It's just been very, very odd, boys and girls. And it is warm. I'm going to be between warm and cool because some days it's kind of chilly. You need a little sweater. And then there's days that it's warm and it's really nice outside. This weather is very bipolar, so I'm going to say that the weather is partly sunny and warm. And now for the mood meter. I want to know how you all are feeling today. To start off, I'm going to tell you how I am feeling. So Miss Gonzalez is feeling happy and excited because it is almost spring break. And that means that we have a whole week off from school. You all start tomorrow. Tomorrow is the beginning of your spring break. So that means you get to relax and not do anything that has to do with school, which is amazing to me. So that is why Miss Gonzalez is feeling excited and happy. Now, I want to know how you all are feeling. Amazing. I hope you all are in the yellow like Miss Gonzalez and are excited to have a week off. If not, I hope you're just calm and relaxed. And for those of you who are in the red and blue, I hope your day gets better, boys and girls. Remember that it is just the mood of today. And today is going to end and we will have a new day tomorrow with all new emotions, and hopefully those feelings are in the yellow and green area. So we are going to go over the schedule. So we are going to start off with breakfast and morning meeting. Once you have finished those two things, you will do personal hygiene. So don't forget to go to the restroom, wash your hands, brush your teeth, and prepare yourself because today is Thursday. So today we will be working on IEP goals. Once you are done with IEP goals, you will have some centers or free time, anything just to have your mind off of school. After that, you will do story time. You can listen to our AR read out loud that is on Teams, or read your own book if you have at home. Afterwards, you will have lunch. I hope you have a warm, delicious lunch for you all. And once you have eaten and have given it a little time for your food to go down, you all will exercise, whether you will walk or dance or play. We just need to get that heart rate going up, boys and girls, so make sure you get some exercise in. And these are some activities for you all that you all may want to do. It doesn't have to be these, but these are just some examples. So we have our hula hoop, our hopscotch, playing tag if you have anybody to play tag with, maybe ride a bike if you own a bike, or take a walk. Okay, boys and girls, so that is it for morning meeting. If you have any questions on your IEP goals or just anything at all, here's our information of all your teachers. please feel free to reach out to us. We are always here to help. If not, once you have submitted your thumbs up for attendance and have submitted your work, your IEP goals, and your work for the week, you are good. You will do not have school tomorrow, so enjoy your break. Happy spring break, boys and girls. We will see you here back the following Monday, March the 22nd. So enjoy your break. I hope you have lots of fun, and we will see you all later. Bye, boys and girls.